Checkity check yourself. Check it out, we got a 22 Thor motorhome today. So this is a 24-foot long RV. This is the gas Ecoboost motor. It is all-wheel drive. It's got the queen bed slide out on the driver's side, we'll show you here. Power awning, TV, shower, built-in bathroom, everything you need for your camping trip. It's got the Ford motorhome chassis. Again, this one is all-wheel drive. It's only got 15,500 miles on it. Bed slide out. Storage compartment there with your power cord, outdoor shower hookup, more storage underneath, exhaust, all your water hookups. It does have a hitch. You can tow up to 5,000 pounds with this. It's got your generator and more storage up front here. Two 120 outlets. Now I'll show you the cool part inside. Come on in. All right, so here you can see the fold down. It's not quite a queen size. It's about 6 inches short, but almost a queen size bed. You got storage up top. This does slide out. It's like a Murphy bed, so it flips up here and turns into a couch when it's not connected. To the right here, you can see it's not a bed up on top. It is a powered sunshade for the moonroof. This does have AC. Right behind here, we have all our controls for lights, powered everything. Powered TV that drops down for more counter space. Here we got your sink, stove, microwave, bunch of storage. Storage behind the glass here. Fridge, more storage underneath. And here we have a 36-inch wide by 24 shower. I'm not the tallest, 5'7", but you got enough clearance here for shorter people. Full sink, bathroom here, more storage inside here. Pretty sweet rig, does have AC, heat, lots of storage up top here. The cockpit here is basically the same as a Ford Transit van. Got your 8-inch touchscreen, backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth. This one does have adaptive cruise and lane keeping system as well. Automatic headlights, power windows, locks. 15,492 miles on it. On the touchscreen here, this is how you'll control all your lighting. You can adjust the brightness of everything. Kitchen, living room, kitchen ceiling, bath ceiling, awning has lighting, stepwell, and cargo areas as well. Got your battery and fuel levels, power sliding bed. Control basically everything inside here, all from this touchscreen. All right, so there again is a walk around of the 22 Thor Compass RV we have. So it is available for sale. My name's Zach. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you.